Imagine the universe. This site is amazing. Acquire quality data, they can use high-end equipment, affordable, premium data, premium location, premium equipment.
ITU was created in 2017. We created it to deal with the issue that we had always had bad skies in the UK and was unable to use our equipment. In 2017 we successfully set up our first remote observatories in Spain. By January 2018 we will have 3 remote telescopes running. ITU see their differential as the fact that we employ the best equipment we can get within its category. As well as the best equipment, we have some of the best guys in Europe. We also have experienced astrophotographers on board, including Paddy Gilliland. In addition to your subscription, when joining ITU, you will also receive expert advice and support ranging from quick bite-sized pieces of advice through to full end-to-end processing on target examples, as well as having regular question and answer sessions throughout the year. We are at ITU astrophotographers at heart. We've opened it as a business in order to share what we have at ITU with others who suffer from poor skies or poor location. We are not a profit-making venture. As yet, we have yet to see an actual profit because we plough all of the money back into our hobby. We want to achieve the best data we can for us and for our customers. We believe that this hobby side of it and the fact we're not profit driven is the key differentiator. We do not have dedicated scopes for solar, planetary or lunar. However, in 2018 we do expect to open some pay-as-you-go scopes. While this works out slightly more expensive, they will have various options including lunar filters and solar capability. We use what would be considered the standard observatory software package. We use ACP Expert to manage the scopes. This includes all of the automation and scripting that's required to ensure that we optimize the sky and image as much as possible. We also, as required, have MaximDL, various sensor type software, cloud watchers, rain watchers, light watchers, etc. No expense has been spared to ensure that these observatories operate at maximum efficiency. In order to arrive at the ideal exposure for each frame, we research the targets. We are also under new skies in Spain and learning the different capabilities of the scopes that we have placed there. We have taken an extended test period to ensure that we are fully familiar with all of these features of the local sky. Generally, for simplicity, we then define some templates for different types of images, i.e. bright galaxies, bright nebula, dimmer galaxies, etc. Obviously, this goes all the way through to Lyn's dark nebulas and hard to achieve objects. So we practice, refine and review. If we have a very stringent quality assessment process, if we start a target, we will review the frame the next day. If we feel it's too bright or too dim, we will delete those frames and start again the next day with the corrected exposure times. As we gain more experience, this is happening now very little. Some targets always surprise you though. Currently, ITU do not support any scientific type filters. However, during 2018, this is likely to be included. We're looking at some larger scopes where scientific filters and even some spectroscopy will be possible. Initially, we need to address our marketplace, which is astrophotography. As we progress and the operation expands, we will reach out further into other areas. Myself personally, I'm studying a cosmology degree, so the scientific and spectroscopy side is obviously useful and will help drive what the business needs. We have not yet assessed what the weakest target is registered by ITU. However, I can claim that, or actually I can state that in M110, whilst imaging M31, we actually resolve stars greater than magnitude 21 in M110 itself. This was quite a surprise to see not just structure but also individually resolved stars on a 5-inch refractor. ITU employ a range of sensors to ensure that the equipment is safe and that images are taken under the optimal skies. We have rain and cloud sensors, light sensors, all sky cameras, and various others. These all link into ACP Expert to ensure the right targets are selected at the right time in the right place in the sky. Obviously, the safety aspect means that if there's cloud or risk of rain, if it's too bright, too windy, then the observatory closes down. The moment it becomes safe to image again, the observatory automatically opens itself back up, even if only for 15 minutes, half an hour at some point during the night. This maximises our imaging potential and the value our subscribers receive. There is no previous knowledge required to join ITU. Of course, various people have various skill levels. What ITU offer is extremely good to what ITU offer is world-class data that will make anybody starting the hobby learn much faster. They will also learn how to do things accurately because they're not compromised by the quality of their data. Of course, if you are intermediate to experienced, receiving better data to work with will greatly enhance your output. Regarding discounts, if people just subscribe to more than 2 scopes, they will receive a discount. This will be negotiated subject to which scopes are in use. Also, we offer a longevity discount, so if you subscribe for a second year, you will receive a fixed discount to thank you for your loyalty. In addition to this, for longer term members, we also offer various bonuses such as free sample data from other scopes. So we really do try to look after our subscribers and give them the maximum value for the money that they spend with us.